Hey guys, Dopamine will be launching their DOPE token soon, and today I'll be showing you how to claim your share of the DOPE tokens and how to earn 1000 donuts for connecting your Dopamine app to your Bitget account. So if you don't have a Dopamine or Bitget account, install the Dopamine app and sign up on Bitget and complete your KYC using the links in the description. You will need to create an API key on Bitget to connect your Dopamine to your Bitget account, and I'll be showing you how to do that and how to participate in the Bitget Launchpool, which will be launching in a few hours. To create your API key for your Dopamine app, open your Bitget app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on API key and tap create a new API key. Tap automatically generated API keys, give it a name. Can give it any name you like. Set your passphrase. Your passphrase should be at least 8 characters and can consist of numbers and letters. The next thing is to set the permissions. So tap all these permissions. You can't give it a withdraw permission, so the withdraw permission is grayed out. Once you've set all the permissions, tap confirm. Complete the security verification. Tap on confirm. And now I have created my API key. With this API key, I can connect my Dopamine app to my Bitget account. So tap on confirm, and now you can see I have an API key here. So go back to your Dopamine app. If you don't have the Dopamine app, install it using the link in the description and set up your wallet. So once you've set up your Dopamine account, tap on your profile icon at the top right of your screen and tap on centralized exchanges. If you're already using the Dopamine app and you can't find the centralized exchange option when you tap on your profile icon, update your Dopamine app to the latest version. So tap on centralized exchanges and tap on Bitget. So you need to paste your API key, secret key and the passphrase. So go back to your Bitget account and under your API key management, tap on the ellipsis icon and tap on view. Complete the security verification. Next thing, tap on confirm, and now you can see all the details for your API key. Tap on this copy icon to copy your API key and tap on this icon to copy your secret key. Once you've provided your API key, secret key and passphrase, tap the activate button to connect your Bitget account. And now I have connected my Bitget account to my Dopamine wallet. So you can see I've earned 1000 donuts for connecting my Bitget account to my Dopamine wallet. So this is how to earn 1000 donuts for connecting your Bitget account to your Dopamine wallet. The next thing I'll show you is how to get a share of DOPE tokens from the Bitget Launchpool. The Bitget Launchpool for the DOPE token starts on April 1st, 2024, which is a few hours from now. To participate in the Launchpool, you will need to stake a minimum of 100 BGB, which is the Bitget native token, or 100 USDT. And to do that, in your Bitget app, make sure you're on the home tab. If you're not on the home tab, tap on home and tap on earn. If you don't see the Launchpool, tap on this drop down icon to show more options. Now you can see the Launchpool. Tap on Launchpool. You can stake on both pools, the BGB pool and the USDT pool. Once the Launchpool is live, you will see the option to stake in each of these pools. So you tap on the stake button here. This will be replaced by the stake now. You tap on it, enter the amount of BGB or USDT depending on the pool you're selecting. So once you've staked your tokens, you will be earning from DOPE, and the Launchpool lasts for 10 days. You can unstake your tokens at any time. So that's it about claiming your 1000 donuts and getting a share of the DOPE tokens from the Bitget Launchpool. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Dopamine updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas and earning opportunities. There are 2 airdrops I don't want you to miss on Telegram. They are the Tap Swap airdrop and the Hot airdrop. If you're not on this airdrop, sign up right now using the links in the description to start earning your Tap Swap shares and your hot tokens daily. So don't miss out on your 1000 donuts. Claim your share of the DOPE token from the Bitget Launchpool. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.